Hey, I'm Kevin. Welcome to day 5 of level 2 Baritone Strumming series. It's a bittersweet day as we come to the end of the series, but it's an awesome day because we're going to spend a lot of time playing together, working through each strumming pattern, doing 2 different metronome markings, and having a lot of fun while doing it. Get yourself tuned up and let's get started. Hey, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and click that alert bell so you know when the next video is coming your way. If you're interested in more learning resources, head over to AllForUke.com where we have a full searchable library of songs, song sheets, practice tracks, worksheets, and more. All for you, AllForUke.com. All right, in the first day, we checked out a variation of the island strum, and that pattern was down, mute, up, up, down, up. So we counted that 1, 2, and 4, and. So let's take a look at the chords in our progression now. We're going to start off on a B minor chord, and we can play this here with our ring and pinky on the 4th, middle on the 3rd of the B string, and our index on the E string of the 2nd fret. Or we can bar this entire 2nd fret with our index finger, which puts us in perfect position to move to our 2nd chord, which is F sharp 7. And we play that by barring the entire 2nd fret, putting our middle finger on the G string of the 3rd fret. And then we navigate over here to E minor, which we can play with our index finger, just keeping that on the D string of the 2nd fret, or we can use our middle finger on the D string, same spot. And then our final chord, we just move right back to that F sharp 7. So those are our 4 chords. We're going to play them each one time. We're going to set the metronome here at 100 beats per minute. I'll give us a 4 count in. Let's get to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up. Couple more times. Keep your eyes on that left hand. Trust your strumming hand. Last time. 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and. All right, now we're going to bump it up to 110 here for this exercise. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1. Couple more times. 1, 2. Last time. Here we go. 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4. Let's take a look at the pattern now for day 2. So that was down, mute, up, mute, mute. But what we did is added a staccato to that first down strum. So let me demonstrate that for you here with a C chord. So our first down strum is staccato, and then we have mute, and we have up, mute, mute. So again, it's down, mute, up, mute, mute, down, mute, up, mute, mute. So that's the pattern here, and the chord progression we'll use for this exercise. We'll do the C chord here 1 time. Sorry, we'll do that 2 times. Then we're going to go to our F chord, little bar chord action. We'll play that twice. Then we go to a G chord 1 time, F 1 time, and we finish with C 2 times. So we'll do this one at 105 beats per minute, so get your metronome ready, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, mute, up, mute, mute, down, mute, up, mute, mute, F. To the G, F, and C. I like this progression. Here we go again. Down, mute, up, mute, down. All right, now we're going to bump the tempo up to 115, same chord progression, same feel. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. To the G, back to F, and land on C. Stay on the C. 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and F. And to the G, and F, and back to C. Last time. 1, 2, and 4, back to F, and G, and F, and end on C. If you're digging the sound of my uke, head over to AllForUke.com/shop. You can have a Kali ukulele for yourself. When you buy your Kali ukulele through AllForUke, you're supporting us, and we really appreciate it. Make sure you check it out. Concerts, sopranos, tenors, baritones, a wide selection of accessories, capos, and more. All for you, AllForUke.com/shop. In day 3, we checked out another pattern in 4/4 time, and that pattern was down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And we counted that 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And so we're going to bump the tempo up again for this one. We're going to start it at 110 and work our way up to 120. So the chord progression for this one will be F, and we'll play that twice through the pattern. Then we're going to move over here to our B flat chord. So B flat is played by barring the 3rd fret on the top 3 strings and playing our index finger here on the E string of the 1st fret. And then we move to a D minor chord, which is open D string, and then I have the 2nd fret of the G string, 3rd fret of the B string, and 1st fret of the E string. And then we finish it off with a C chord here. So we'll play each of those 2 times. Get ready for some metronome fun. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 back to F. All right, now we're going to bump it up to 120. Here we go with a 4 count in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and that metronome. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. In day 4, we did another slight variation to the island strum with addition of staccato. So that pattern was, and I'm just demonstrating with an E chord here, down, up, staccato, up, down, up. So 1 and 2 and 4 and. The chords we'll use for this demonstration are E major, and we'll go over here to an A major, back to E, and we'll finish with a B7. So we'll do each of those chords 2 times for the progression. We're going to be going here at 115, working our way up to 125. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and It's our last play along of the series. Let's make it our best. Here we go at 125. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for joining me for level 2 of our baritone strumming series. Make sure you go over to AllForUke.com where I have a bunch of PDFs put together for this series, and I will be launching some practice tracks as well in the near future, so keep checking back for those. If you guys have any questions or comments about this series, please leave those below. I love hearing from you guys. I'll see you back here next time for more fun at AllForUke. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Let's get carried away.